County. Philip Dubé with us. Philip, what are you learning from the mother's testimony that's really standing out to you?
Well, she's setting the table, though, for the discovery of the remains and trying to figure out who the killer could have been. Obviously, it wasn't the mother, and she's able to put the defendant in the house right around the time of his demise. Obviously, they're going to go through and look at surveillance footage to see the time that she left, certainly the time she arrived, and who, if anybody else, went into the property. If nobody else was there, then by process of elimination, she's going to be the prime suspect. Honestly, I think this is a fait accompli. The only real question is, was there anybody else in that house before her? Or could somebody else have done it? And I think that the digital evidence is going to corner her. I think she may be boxed in.
The boyfriend of the mother on the stand said he didn't see Devyn. He only saw Nikki's car, Nikki being the defendant here. Why do we have a trial if we've got so much evidence against Nikki? Do they really believe that they're going to be able to convince this jury that Devyn was there when we know she had the two girls and they were in another home?
Why do we have a trial? I'll tell you why. If you recall, she entered into a plea. She decided to take 15 years. And in the state of Nevada, you're not legally convicted until the judge pronounces sentence. And during the sentencing hearing, she got cold feet and she backed out. And the judge was not comfortable accepting the plea and convicting her and sentencing her if it was not a knowing and voluntary waiver of all her constitutional rights to a trial. So what happened? Nobody was comfortable with that plea because they didn't want it subject to collateral attack on an appeal. So she got her trial. And now she's looking at LWOP, life without parole. I mean, honestly, any attorney worth their salt would have told her to take the 15 and go do her time, because I have a feeling she's not going to walk away from this, at least not for 15.
The shocking details just continue to roll in on this one, Philip Dubé. Thank you for that insight. Let's get to our break so we can listen to more. This is getting close in terms of the testimony to the mom talking about the discovery of her own son in her house. And the prosecution says it was his ex-girlfriend and the mother of his children that did it.